Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great and I'm also doing very good. So, I'm here today to talk about safety. Now, what is safety? Safety means to take care of yourself, to protect yourself from any danger which is harming you, which is harmful for the kids. So, you children need to take care of yourself, you need to be safe. Now, we are going to talk about safety at home. So, our first safety rule at home is to not use any sharp objects like a knife, a blade, a scissors, or any object which is sharp. Now, why shouldn't you use them when your parents are not around? It might, whenever you use, it might cut your finger or you'll hurt yourself and start bleeding. So that's not safe at all. So please never use any sharp objects when parents are not around, and even if they are around, you should not use them. Now, second thing, should not use the matchbox. You know what is a matchbox? Matchbox is a box when mama lights the agarbatti or the candle using the matchstick. So that catches fire. So you should never use the objects which catches fire. And you should not take the matchbox to the kitchen and light the gas stove with a lighter or using a matchbox. So, you should always remember not to use a matchbox as well as never go to the kitchen to light the gas stove. The next safety rule is never go near the switchboards. Now, you must be thinking why we should not go near the switchboards. You should always go, but you know there are some electric sockets over there. So some of you have the habits of putting the fingers or any object into the holes of such sockets. So what would happen? You might experience an electric shock there. So never use or never switch on any gadgets or go near any electronic things or even the switchboards. So you should take extreme care while moving towards them. So don't touch them unless your parents are around. So take care of these things. Now these are most important things we should take care, but other safety like if you have stairs at home, so some children have the habit of running inside the house. So what would happen if you keep on running here and there? So you might fall and get hurt, or even if somebody is moving around, then maybe your younger sibling or the older sibling, even there are many chances of both of you getting hurt. So take care that you don't keep on running here and there within the house. So other one, now that is all inside we have to take care, right? But when you are playing outside your house, so you should take extreme care. Without permission, you should not go and play outside your house. If your mama is thinking that okay, still you are inside the house, you are in your room, but without taking the permission, when you go out, then it is not safe for you. Some strangers who are not good to us, they might harm you. So it's better that stay home and play and take care of yourself. In case you want to go out of the house, seek the permission of your parent and then you play outside within the limited premises. So these are the safety measures I think you all will remember and follow them every day. So take care of yourself till then and follow these safety measures, and then make your mama and daddy happy.